you got there?
He didn't hold his feet.
He didn't hurt his feet. You're right, because you cleaned your room.
Oh, candy.
We can have one piece, okay? Look at Prince found some more. You want help? Let's see if there's any more. I see another one out here. Here. You want me to get it for you?
It says Happy Easter.
It does say Happy Easter. You bring that one, now I'll bring this one.
What is it?
I think it's for your dollies.
What's this?
Come on.
Oh. I ask you to open them up, please.
Okay. You gotta read the letter from the Easter Bunny first. Madison, let me read you the letter, okay? It says, Happy Easter, Madison. I heard you were a good girl. Enjoy. Love the Easter Bunny.
More money.
Yeah, money, money, money. Want me to get your piggy bank? Okay.
We're just gonna pop there. Hey! Did the pink Easter Bunny came?
Yes, she did. Look at, there's puzzles.
Where did she get that from? Where did she get this from?
I don't know. She probably went to the store. Look, there's puzzles.
What is this kind of bunny?
It's a white chocolate bunny.
Please, can you open it?
It's for your Zwinkies. You want to see what's in that basket? Let's open this one.
What's in this?
Probably some candy.